Welcome to Corporate Cookie Bites, where we stir up success one topic at a time. Today, we are going to dive into the deliciously important aspects of your professional recipe that is elevating your persona through personal hygiene and grooming. Now, I want you to picture this: a workplace where every colleague exudes confidence and professionalism, not just in their work but also in their appearance, which can be a game changer. Personal hygiene is the secret ingredient that leaves a lasting impression. So, you want to start ensuring you're fresh, well groomed, and you're setting the stage for a day of productivity and positivity. Take time to choose your attire because this reflects the role and the company culture as well. A well put together outfit is like icing on a corporate cupcake. So don't forget the basics of clean nails, tidy hair, and a splash of confidence with a boost of fragrance. Maintain a consistent grooming routine, and this is going to be your daily treat and your daily ritual to self care. It's not about looking good, it's about feeling good as well and projecting your energy at your workplace. In the world of corporate cookie bites, personal hygiene and grooming are that sparkle on the professional cupcake. So join us in creating a workplace where everyone feels confident, capable, and are ready to tackle the day with a dash of style. Because when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, success is the sweetest reward. So stay polished and stay professional.